This video is brought to you by our friends at Squarespace. Hi, I'm Allison. This is Wonder Crochet. Welcome back. If you're like me, then you tend to wait a little bit too long sometimes with getting gifts, whether that be for Christmas or birthdays or any other holidays. Sometimes they just sneak up on you and you need a gift maybe the next day or maybe even day of. But what's wonderful is as a crocheter, you can create your own gifts. Now I know that there's a stigma against crocheting everyone their gifts for holidays, and I totally get that. Burnout is a real thing. But I'm here today with 17 great ideas for last minute gifts that you can crochet, and I have free patterns for all of them. Also, excuse my voice, I am getting over a cold, so if I sound a little congested, it's because I am. So as I was doing research for this video, I came across many listicles online of last minute gifts that you can crochet, and many of them, in my opinion, were not last minute. There were scarves and shawls on there. Some even had pillows and blankets. I don't know, maybe I crochet slowly, but that would take me weeks to make. I'm talking last minute, like week before, a couple days before, even the day before. So a lot of these are smaller gifts. You could make a couple of them, or you could pair them with something else. And I'll go into that when I jump into the list here. So these are all free patterns, and I'll link them all in the description where you can find them. Many of them come from wonderful blogs that have tons of free patterns, so if you're looking for more, then you can definitely explore those blogs. And as you know, I have my own blog, my own website, where I love sharing free patterns. If you would like your own website to share free crochet patterns or even have a shop, I would definitely check out Squarespace. Squarespace is the #1 platform for entrepreneurs and creatives to succeed online. You can create a beautiful website with no prior web design experience from the ground up in no time at all with Squarespace. It has all the tools so you can sell physical goods as well as digital content and services. And there's also flexible website templates, so you can get started with a professionally designed Squarespace website template where you can customize the look, update the content, and then add the features to fit your needs. So even if you're a beginner and you're not tech savvy, Squarespace is a great place where you can have a beautiful website in no time at all. So if you're ready to grow your crochet business, head to squarespace.com/wondercrochet and use the code WonderCrochet for 10% off a new website or domain. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video, and let's hop into these last minute crochet gift ideas. Okay, I found so many fun patterns for this that are just so cute and pretty. I want them as gifts. The first one on our list is this Dainty Daisy bookmark. This is by Daisy Cottage Designs, and it's just so pretty. You know, I love all things floral, but I also love reading, and I know there's so many book lovers out there. I would be really touched if someone gave me a handmade crochet bookmark, especially one like this. I think it would just look so pretty in a book, and you can do any color flower that you'd like. If you'd like to make multiple, then you could definitely do that. I think it would be really neat if you made maybe 3 in 3 different colors. The creator of this said that it takes her 7 minutes to make one of these bookmarks, so this is definitely great for a last minute pattern. The next pattern on our list is another bookmark, and it's another Daisy bookmark, but it's a little bit different. This is the Simply Daisy bookmark by This Pixie Creates, and I think that it's so creative. It has those little flower stitches in it, so it's definitely a different design from the first bookmark. But again, very pretty. You can do it in different colors, it works up quickly, and this one comes with a full video tutorial, so if you are a beginner, then you can definitely do this. Oh, and I forgot to say that these patterns are all easy patterns. They're pretty beginner friendly. If you know how to do basic stitches, then you should be able to do these. The next pattern on our list is this classic sailor hair bow. This is by the Wannabe Grandma, which is such a cute name, and it's just a beautiful hair bow. She has it crocheted on a hair tie so that you can easily put it in your hair. If you want to make this for someone who's having a baby, or I know babies don't have hair yet, or just anyone who loves bows, I would absolutely love to wear this in my hair. This is definitely on my list to make so that I can have a cute crochet hair bow too. The next pattern on our list is this Delicate Rose hair bow. So it's one more hair bow. This one is much larger than the last one that I showed. So if you want to do maybe some smaller bows, do the one before. This one is big and beautiful, and I love the colors that they chose. I think that this would look gorgeous in anyone's hair, and I know that bows were huge this year, so I think a lot of people would really love a gift like this. And maybe if you don't wear hair bows and you would like to use this as decor in your house or even on a Christmas tree, I think that there's so many uses for it. Keep accidentally sitting on my little turtle here. These next two patterns are both by Yarnspirations. This first one is this donut ornament. So you can make this as an ornament, you can make this as a bag charm if it's not around the holiday season, and I just think this is so cute. You can do it in many different colors. I think a pink one with maybe some sparkly sprinkles on there would be gorgeous. I would love to have that as a little bag charm, or it would look great as an ornament for your tree. And the next pattern is this mushroom pattern. Again, would look really cute as a little charm or even as a keychain, something to hang in your locker or your car or to hang on your tree. There's so many options for these, and honestly, you can do this with any mini plush. So any small amigurumi pattern that you find, it'll work up pretty quickly, and there's so many different uses for it. You can easily add a keychain to any little plushie. You can easily add a hook for an ornament, or if you attach a long crochet chain to it, then you can easily tie that onto a book bag or a purse or anything like that. So mini amigurumi plushies have tons of uses, especially as a last minute gift. The next gift idea on our list is this mini flower drawstring pouch by Crochet. And when I was looking up different coin purses or pouches or anything like that, I found so many. So if you just search on YouTube especially, there are so many really pretty little bags. They don't take long to make, and I know that I would be ecstatic if I got this as a gift. So you can make really any type of little bag or anything like that. And I actually made this one. Let me show you. So I couldn't pass this one up. I had to make it. It's the perfect size and it's really cute, and you can really keep anything in there. Honestly, I'm keeping stitch markers in here because I tend to lose my stitch markers, and I think that this is really great to keep little things in here. But it's a great size. It can fit chopsticks or coins or your keys or anything like that. I'm a big fan of crochet pouches, which brings me to our next one, which is this bunny drawstring pouch by Danielle L Designs. Really cute. I absolutely love how the drawstrings on it look like little bunny paws. And again, this is one that can work up quickly. I think it's so adorable and has so many uses. You can really put anything to store in there. This is an easy YouTube tutorial, so if you're a visual learner, this will be great for you. The one before was as well, and many of these on this list have great step-by-step visual tutorials, which is really great for beginners. This next one on our list is our last crochet pouch, but like I said, take a look on YouTube. There's tons on there, and it is this pufferfish pouch by ETM Studio. I think this one is so cute and it's so unique. I love how different and quirky it is, and it's just so well designed. I know I say on these pattern roundups all the time that, oh, this is on my list to make, because there's so much stuff that is on my list, but these drawstring bags, I enjoy making them so much. I would definitely make all of them on this list. And when I make them, I'll let you know how long it takes me to show that these are truly last minute gifts. The next item on our list are these star coasters. This is by Milk Tea Bag, and I love these. They're so pretty. Especially love that they're made in pastels. Pastel stars, I think, are just a beautiful aesthetic, and it's really nice to get gifts that you can actually use. If you know someone that has this type of aesthetic, loves pastels, I think that this would be really thoughtful to make for them. And again, it's another step-by-step YouTube tutorial, so really easy to follow. The next one on our list definitely went viral, and it's this succulent coaster by Brunacticality. I hope I said that right. When you put all the coasters into their little container that looks like a planter, then it looks like a succulent. Then when you take it out, it's a beautiful coaster. I think that this would look great in anyone's space. I think anyone would be excited to get this one. If you have any plant lovers in your life, this is definitely the one for them. I think that this one would really be great for anyone on your list that you need to get a gift for. Next, we're back to our book lovers, and we have this Daisy Kindle sleeve by Brambles and Heart. This one is so pretty, and I know that I need a Kindle sleeve. I don't have one already, so I definitely am going to make this. Or maybe if someone who needs a gift for me, who knows how to crochet, you can make this for me. No, I'm just kidding, I'll make one. But this would work up really quickly. Probably not as quickly as the other things that we have on our list, so you want to leave a little bit more time for this one. But I think it's gorgeous. You can do it in so many different colors. If you wanted to do one that maybe had sunflowers on it for someone who loves sunflowers, that would be beautiful too. But I really love the daisies, and I love the colors that they chose too, with the white and green backgrounds. It's the same thing I did for my drawstring pouch, and it's just gorgeous. And going along those same lines, the next one that we have is this Love Letter book sleeve. This is by Mahum, and this is another YouTube tutorial. If you have a book lover in your life, this book sleeve is gorgeous. When I'm making a book sleeve though, I never know what size to make it, since books come in so many different sizes. So you could make different colored ones in different sizes if you wanted to take on that challenge. But I love the look of this, how it looks like a love letter. And this is gonna sound cheesy, but truly, sometimes reading books just really feels like reading love letters. I think having this book sleeve would just be perfect for my fellow book lovers. And of course, we can't have a list on here talking about last minute gifts and not talk about plushies, because no matter the age of the person that you're giving a gift to, I think plushies are always appreciated. I've given plushies to many of my adult friends, and honestly, they're always excited about them, and they're always giddy about getting a plushie. So I don't care how old you are. I think a plushie is a wonderful gift. Obviously, it would be great to give to kids as well, but if you have a person on your list, especially someone who is a cat lover, I think that this pattern by Stitch by Faye is perfect. Loaf cats have become so popular this year. This is a wonderful free pattern. You can make it look like anyone's cat. I know many of my friends have cats, and if I crocheted them a loaf cat that looked like their cats, they'd be very excited. Another wonderful pattern that would work up very quickly is this mini dragon snuggler. This is by The Friendly Fox, and it's so adorable. I made a snuggler for my nephew last year, and there's nothing cuter than when my sister sends me pictures of him taking a nap with that snuggler. And I think it was a dinosaur, but these dragons are so cute, and it is a mini one, so it would work up quickly. But honestly, there's so many smaller amigurumi free patterns. If you haven't already watched my No Sew Amigurumi pattern roundup, definitely check that out if you're looking for a last minute plushie idea to make someone, because the No Sew ones work up really quickly. You can have a really cute plushie gift for someone in no time. The next pattern on our list is this flower hair scrunchie by Champu Handicrafts, and I thought this was just so unique. Honestly, you can do any scrunchies as gifts. I think they especially are great gifts for preteens, teenagers, and there's tons of great free scrunchie patterns out there. But I had never seen one before that looks like this with the flowers around the edges. I just think it's unique, it's beautiful. I can't not include florals in these roundups, but I think it's even just a little bit more of a step above a regular scrunchie, since it is so unique and you wouldn't see something like this in the store. Now, I haven't made one of these, so I don't know how quickly they work up, but if you had time to make maybe 3 in different colors, that would be such a fun gift. And just like that, we're already to the last pattern on our list, which is good because I'm starting to lose my voice. And it is this plant hanger by Sarah Maker, and I just love the look of crochet plant hangers. If you made this and maybe paired it with a real plant, that would be such a fun gift. And you can find plants even at the grocery store. So pairing something handmade with a beautiful plant that they can take care of, I think is such a thoughtful gift. So if you've never crocheted a plant hanger before, I definitely try it out. They do work up quickly, especially because there's so many gaps in them. So definitely check out this pattern. I really love the look of it, and it looks easy to follow as well. So those were 17 last minute crochet gifts with free patterns. I hope that I've inspired you and maybe given you a gift idea if you're looking for a last minute gift. I know it can be stressful to find gifts for others sometimes when you don't know what to get them, or if maybe you've forgotten about it until the last minute. But what's great about these is so many of them are just fun to make. So I hope that you enjoy making them, you don't stress out too much about your last minute gift. And of course, comment down below if you make any of these or if there are any crochet gift ideas that I missed and you really love to give. Please share them down below. I'd love to know. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. And if you don't already, give me a follow over on Instagram. I post all my new projects and lots of fun over there. Let me know in the comments what types of videos or pattern roundups you'd like to see next. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.